Welcome back to Healthy Grocery Girl. Today I'm sharing 10 anti-inflammatory foods to eat and why. While inflammation can be a natural response to help protect the body, chronic or long-term inflammation may be a precursor to diet-related diseases from heart disease, diabetes, and more. One way we can help reduce inflammation is through the foods we eat and the foods we avoid. Today I'll be sharing with you 10 anti-inflammatory foods and how they can help reduce inflammation within the body. Dark leafy greens. These veggies are packed with nutrients including vitamin E, which may help protect from cytokine molecules found in inflammation. Leafy greens also contain a variety of vitamins and minerals that all work to maintain our overall health. Dark leafy greens are the perfect addition to smoothies or salads. Ginger. Ginger contains the compound gingerol, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger is also great if you're feeling nauseous and to soothe an upset stomach. Enjoy fresh ginger and homemade tea, add to a smoothie, or to dishes such as stir fries or curry. Nuts and seeds. These foods contain healthy fats that work in a variety of ways, including helping your body repair cell damage caused by inflammation. Nuts and seeds are delicious in smoothie bowls or in homemade trail mix. Turmeric. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties come from the compound curcumin, which also gives turmeric its bright yellow color. Curcumin may help reduce swelling in joints or pain from arthritis. Turmeric is great in tea, golden milk lattes, curry dishes, or in homemade sauces. Cilantro. This herb supports your liver's detoxification process for heavy metals and may help reduce pain and swelling caused by inflammation. Enjoy cilantro in homemade salsa, blended in green smoothies, or as a final topping to your lunches and dinners. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, are loaded with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may help with improving vision, cognitive function, and protect against age-related macular degeneration. Add berries to a smoothie, oatmeal, cereal, yogurt, or top on a salad, or eat by the handful. Avocados. Avocados are an excellent source of potassium, antioxidant vitamin E, B vitamins, fiber, and monounsaturated fat. Half of a medium avocado contains approximately 7 grams of fiber. Fiber is important for maintaining gut health. Optimal gut health is important to help lower your risk of inflammation. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil may help reduce inflammation due to different antioxidants it contains. One of these antioxidants is called oleocanthal. Oleocanthal works like a natural anti-inflammatory agent and may help reduce inflammatory markers. Olive oil is the perfect base for homemade salad dressings and homemade pesto. Green tea. Green tea contains flavonoids. Flavonoids work at a cellular level by neutralizing damage from free radicals and may enhance immune response as well as minimize inflammatory response. Green tea is a great drink to enjoy in the morning or early afternoon. Dark chocolate, my favorite. Dark chocolate contains minerals such as iron, copper, zinc, and phosphorus. Zinc, for example, helps with controlling oxidative stress, which too much oxidative stress can lead to inflammation. I love eating a square of dark chocolate during the day. Aim for 70% or greater dark chocolate to truly enjoy the benefits of cacao. Thank you again so much for watching today's video. I hope that you found it helpful and you can stay connected with us on Instagram at Healthy Grocery Girl and also our newsletter, which is free, for more nutrition and wellness content. See the video description box below for more details, and wishing you a happy and a healthy day.